Up, YouTubers? I'm Cam Rock, downtown St. Louis, 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Fireworks just started, and I'm about to show you a little bit of our fireworks show, maybe even the whole damn thing. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on all my videos. Stay tuned for more great St. Louis footage of our tourism attraction, more music from me, Cam Rock, yours truly. Hit me up. Stay tuned for more new stuff, and without further ado, here's the fireworks and the art in the St. Louis City building and shit. Yeah. And an impressive fountain over here, and a bunch of people, the old courthouse. There's a shit ton of people around here tonight, people. Downtown St. Louis fireworks show. I'm Cam Rock, and this is the St. Louis VP Fair fireworks show. With a real nice St. Louis skyline in the background. At least now we know how you're going to carry your stuff too. Usually in your back pocket, right? And whenever you want to, you can take a couple out, show them off. You be like, oh, hey, I'm stuff, you know what I'm saying? And while we're standing around. So a crowd like this, you start off like this, y'all. How do you do? What you selling? You know you got going on. Picture of the old courthouse in the background with the St. Louis Arts, along with the Hyatt on the left here. You can't read that very good, but that's what it says. Got a Jurien Plaza Hotel there on the right. That's what them letters are. Along with KPMG TV station. And a couple other downtown locations. Right across from a damn Emo's Pizza, if you can see that, you can't. The damn police patrolling, coming down the damn street, foot traffic, you know. You got plenty cars and plenty people, along with thousands of people that are here to see this display. Along like that one right there. You got it? Right. Damn, yeah, right. Just to see all to see the nice little display of fireworks with St. Louis Arch in the background. You know what I'm saying? We right downtown in front of the old courthouse and getting our footage on. Commentator and shit. You know what I'm saying? Like a sports announcer. Yeah. You got your live commentary. You know, film footage all taken by Cam Rock. All original footage by Cam Rock. Pay me, please. You know what I'm saying? And if this is footage on my DVD with my music CD, then hey, now, what's up, DVD and CD buyers? Thanks for showing your support. I love your stinking ass. No, I'm joking. You don't stink that bad. You know. Yeah, some of them coming out heart-shaped. That's pretty nice. I ain't never seen fireworks on both. All right, so you got the St. Louis City skyline a little bit, the courthouse, the arch. You know, if you could see the fountain, there's a nice fountain in front of me too. But the fireworks is enough, people. The fireworks is enough. Even with my shitty camera, the halo is tight, ain't it? I wish I could get it on my camera, but I can't. It's too dark. Yeah, my camera won't get it. Little halo of smoke in the air, y'all. It's like a perfect little smoke ring. Damn it, and the camera will not pick it up right now. Y'all can't even see the emo sign across the street, so damn it, you damn sure can't see the halo. Yeah, you hear dogs barking. People got their dogs out here with us downtown. Dude, everybody downtown. It's a good 1,000 or plus people in this little area we in right now, watching the fireworks. Further down, where in that distance shot where the arch is, we're a good 5 blocks, maybe 6 or 7 up the street. No, the 8th Street's down there. So yeah, we're about a good 7 blocks from where the fireworks are taking place at. So we were down on the landing. You would actually be able to see them shoot them off. You'd actually be able to see a better shot of the arch. But you know, this shot of this distance is actually the best way to see the scenery, the arch, everything together. That's why so many people post up at this distance, or even as far back as where we stay at, all the way up at 16th Street. You can see the fireworks from that far up on Market and Chestnut. Right now we're in between Market and Chestnut. Chestnut is right over here where there's a Hooters, Fridays, and a damn, you know, all kind of stuff, and Calico's, of course. And then to the right is Market Street where there's an Emos, bunch of food places, cops, cars, news stations, all kind of businesses going down Market Street, and historical, you know, landmarks for St. Louis, Missouri. And then, of course, there's this big park area with the fountain, the lovely fountain in it, the courthouse, the lovely courthouse, and the arch, you know. You can see the fireworks that it's got. And I'm yours truly, I'm Cam Rock, giving you the commentary, the little, you know, blow by blow as we give you a taste of St. Louis like no other, you know. Thanks again for tuning in to my channel. Keep liking and hitting the thumbs up, subscribe, and comment on all the videos. Thanks again for the support. St. Louis, Missouri, our fireworks show. I'm Cam Rock. Yeah, right. I'm up 8 minutes already. Yeah, nice.
I'd love to be on the riverfront, doing a shockwave.
Right, yeah. I don't know if at this point we would have made it. The crowd is too big. We wouldn't have actually got down there. No, not at all. Have you seen it down there? I don't know if it's like, I haven't seen it this year, but last year we couldn't get in that bad boy. But we got too late, you know what I mean? And people were too thick and they just wasn't letting us through. You know what I'm saying? So then when we did finally get through, then nobody want to let us out. You know what I'm saying? Because it just got too crowded. Yeah. Beautiful picture of the St. Louis, well, shot of the St. Louis Arch in the background, along with the old courthouse. VP Fair, happy 4th of July, everybody. Happy Veterans Day. Yours truly, Cam Rock, is a veteran as well, a Navy veteran. So to all the other veterans out there, my boy Sean here with me, and Shauna, they with me. My boy Sean, you can't see him, but he's an Air Force veteran, I'm a Navy veteran. Shauna here is not a veteran, but damn it, she supports the troops, and that's good enough. You know what I mean? So, you know, we got that. And, well, And this is it, you know what I'm saying? We're down there just enjoying it. Enjoying the fair. It's going on all this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So if you get to come down to St. Louis for this weekend, make sure you check out our Veterans Parade Fair. It's down on the riverfront, down on the landing. The fireworks show will be going on all this weekend, every night at 9 o'clock or 9:30, between 9 and 9:30. And you are watching the fireworks show right now live at the St. Louis Arch, St. Louis, Missouri, with yours truly, Cam Rock, giving you the commentary and giving you the footage for the year 2013, our Veteran Parade Fair. In our hellacious display. Thanks y'all for being on the channel, tuning in. This is Cam Rock. Got glowing people walking through selling stuff in the crowd. You can see right there. Got a hustle man with glow stuff on him. He's selling the glow sticks and the glow everything. You know. And the fireworks show is still happening. It's happening. St. Louis drama, people. The damn police is coming down the street. And they are in pursuit of someone, something, or whatever. They just trying to keep the peace and keep shit kosher, you know? Meanwhile, we still looking at the fireworks as well. We're trying to watch the streets, watch the fireworks, trying to watch everything, you know? That's how it goes in St. Louis. That's how it goes. And, yeah, I think. Yep, here it comes. Still doing it. They ain't done the finale yet. This might be the finale coming up here.